Hello everyone and welcome to this webinar where we will do a review of the Unity Authorized Training Partner program and its main building blocks such as the authorized workshop content, the Unity Certified Instructor program, Unity certification, and the different marketing campaigns. I'm Thomas Carlson and I'm looking after our channel services team here at Knowledge Point Connect. We are the Unity learning distributor in the EMEA and ANZ territories, and as such, we support the Authorized Training Partner network to market, sell, and deliver Unity training to end users. We run the operational support as well as business and marketing development activities, and you would work with us in order to join the program. So let's start by talking about why Unity. And the best starting point is probably to look at a few numbers. 3 billion devices are being reached every year with experiences that have been made in Unity. And 24 billion installs are made with Unity experiences every year. And what this tells us is that Unity are reaching a lot of devices, but they're also being used. Unity are very strong in the gaming sector, which we see in the fact that 40% of the top 1,000 games, mobile games, are being made in the Unity platform. And if we look at all new mobile games, actually 50% are being made in the platform. But in recent years, Unity have also spent a lot of time in expanding into other industries. And this is showcased in the fact that 60% of all augmented and virtual reality content is also powered by Unity. And compared to other market participants, these numbers clearly tell us that Unity is in a leading position. And as you'd expect, high usage numbers drives demand for learning and for trained professionals. Unity is one of the top in-demanded skills, which was highlighted in a LinkedIn survey that forecasted the growth in demand for this skill to be 35% over the next couple of years. And this is also showcased in Unity Developer being the seventh most top emerging positions that are being advertised through LinkedIn. And the fact that in the US at least, Unity developers are earning an average of 20K more per year than other developer roles. So the fact that this is an in-demand skill means that there's also plenty of demand for training and certification services. And that's where the Authorized Training Partner program comes in. This program is aimed at professional training companies that are looking to offer training to end users. And what comes with it is a host of supporting resources, such as access to Unity education software, being an exclusive provider of Unity authorized content, such as workshops and certification exams, and having access to broad enablement for your instructors through the Unity Certified Instructor program. There's also a strong branding element to this program, with end-to-end marketing tools and campaigns that are regularly being run. And let's now look at some of these building blocks in more detail. And where I wanted to start was with the training material, which is called the Unity Authorized Workshops. This is the official training material that is created directly by Unity's in-house team of curriculum designers and industry experts. The content is based both on industry strategy, but also on customer engagements to make it align to market needs. The material comes with comprehensive instructor resources, such as instructor guides and presentation slides that outline different exercises and the recommended teaching flow. And your participants will access the material through a platform called My Livebook, where they will download an ebook that they can use both in the classroom, but then also have access to during 12 months after the course so that they can go back and practice. There's a very broad library of workshops available from Unity, and these are only a few examples that you see on the slide. They range from essentials level all the way up to more advanced certification preparation levels. Industries that are covered are also comprehensive with a strong base in gaming, but with new titles being added on the AR and VR side as well. And we can make more detailed overviews available for those of you attending after the call, where you can see the content in each of these courses. But the Unity workshops are exclusive to ATPs, and when you deliver them, you actually have a margin on your buy price compared to what you can sell to the users. So this is also an additional way of driving some revenue for you as a training provider. Closely aligned to workshops is the delivery of courses, and that leads us to your instructors. The Unity Certified Instructor Program, or UCI for short, recognizes Unity instructors who are working for authorized training partners and gives them access to a recognized brand, as well as a number of enablement resources that will help them make the most out of Unity. The entry requirements consist of passing a Unity certification exam to prove Unity expertise. There's a choice between the certified 3D artist and the certified programmer exams, depending on the instructor's specialty. And the second requirement is to also have an instructor certification. The standard method is to take the CompTIA CTT Plus exam, but there's also a number of fast track options available. So for example, if you're working with one of Unity's peer companies, such as Autodesk, Adobe, Microsoft, etc., and your instructors have an instructor qualification from them, they can actually use that as part of this process when they become a Unity certified instructor. All of these resources are made available completely free of charge to all Unity training partners and their associated instructors. So as you saw, an important aspect of the UCI program is the Unity certifications. These exams are also available directly to end users and can be used as an additional product that you as a training provider can sell to them as part of your delivery. And Unity have a broad certification program that ranges from the essentials level, which is called the Certified Associate exam and is aimed at the education market primarily, via the 3D artists and the Certified Programmer exams that are aligned with working professionals, and all the way up to the expert level, which is aimed at really advanced users. As a training partner, you have a margin when you resell these exams to your users, and there's Unity workshop content aligned to each exam so that you can actually teach certification prep courses. That way, certification can also be a strong value add for your activities and your courses. So those are the main building blocks of the program. I also wanted to give some examples of how we're marketing out to the end user to make them aware of all of these good things that we've looked at. And we here at Knowledge Point Connect work very closely with Unity's marketing team to raise awareness of the training partner network. A recent result of that is a brand new partner marketing toolkit to be used on your websites, brochures, and social media, etc. That includes a number of different logos, imagery, already written text, and brochures that you can build into your different promotional activities. Unity and KnowledgePoint also host different locators where customers can go in and search for you. There's a one on partner level, and there's another one that lists all of your training workshops so that they can book directly via the website. And finally, those websites is also where we're driving users to go through the different end user facing campaigns that we're running together with Unity. These are both email based, there's social media posts and different press releases. We have so far run a major initiative every quarter, and we're intending to continue rolling out both global and regional initiatives to support our existing members win more business. We certainly see good opportunities for training organizations in the Unity space. Next steps would be to fill in an online application, and we will then send you a contract and an invoice. Once that is settled, we have a one-to-one onboarding program in place where our team will help you get started. And we'll cover all the aspects that you need. So it's going to range from the operational side over to joint business planning and building you into some of our upcoming marketing activities. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach our team at unity@knowledgepoint.com, and we'd be happy to answer any follow-up questions. Thank you again for joining us, and I hope you'll have a good rest of your week.